Okay, so today we were going to solve this problem or this laboratory, which is a topic for the DNS or the domain name system. Okay, so the domain name system is the one who will translate yung isang word into the specific IP address na nakatapat sa kanya. So for example, instead na sinesearch natin yung 8.8.8.8, you're going to search for the google.com, then si DNS ang mag-translate nun kung saang specific IP siya naka-assign, then doon niya itatapon yung message. Okay, so yun din yung gagawin natin dito. Okay, so we have here 6 requirements. Which number 1 is to configure the following DHCP pool on R1. So let's go to R1. Then sabi dito, configure the DHCP pool. So en and conf. So kailangan nasa global configuration mode tayo. Then I'm going to use the command na IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.1.20 tapos 192.168.1.10. Then IP DHCP pool 1 pool. Okay, then next is we're going to use the net address, which is the 192.168.1.0. Tapos ang mask niya is /24, which is 255.255.255.0. Then the default gateway or we will going to use the default router command for the one. Okay, so let's try to ping. So the second condition is going to from PC1. Okay, we have here in the PC1. We will try or attempt to ping the server 1 using its IP address. So first is i-release muna natin siya to remove any configured IP address dito. Then ipconfig renew. Kukuha siya ng IP niya doon sa may server or the IP or the default gateway na nagpo-provide sa kanya ng IP. So as you can see, binigyan siya ng .11. Then doon sa ginawa nating command dito na kailangan i-exclude yung .1 tapos .10. So yung router natin magbibigay na siya ng IP address from .11 to 254. So we are going to ping the server 1 using its IP address, so 10.0.0.101. So as you can see, we successfully ping server 1. Then next, we were going to try to ping server 1 using by its name. So we're going to use the ping srv1. So as you can see, ping request could not find host SVR1. Please check the name and try again because wala pa tayo nasa-set na DNS server or hindi pa natin nasasabi or hindi pa natin na-define saan dito yung DNS server natin. So for number 3, add 20.0.0.100 as our DNS server, which is this one. Then to the 1 pool DHCP pool. So balik tayo kay router 1. Kailangan nasa 1 pool pa rin tayo. Then we're going to use the command DNS server, tapos yung IP ng ating DNS server. So ayan. Then okay, so for number 4 from PC1, ping server 1 and server 2 by its name. So go to the PC1. Okay. Then we're going to use the ipconfig release. Then ipconfig renew. Kasi if hindi natin siya ni-release o hindi tayo nagkuha ng bagong set ng IP ulit, wala siyang DNS server doon. So, hindi natin mapiping yung SRV1 because hindi pa naset yung DNS server natin dito sa ating PC. So, let's try to ping the SRV1, the server 1. So, as you can see, yan, so naping niya yung server 1. Then next sa server 2. So, you can see, translate niya yung server 1 as the 10.0.100. Nakikita natin dito yung IP niya. Then, the server 2, translate niya to 10.0.0.102. At yun yung IP address niya. Okay, so next, on switch 1, attempt to ping the SRV1 by IP address and by its name. So, muna tayo sa switch 1. Okay. And so, try natin i-ping yung server 1 daw. So, ping by its IP address first. So, yun. As you can see, hindi natin siya maping by IP address. Then, let's try to use its name. Yan. As you can see dito, ang sabi niya dito, ang domain server niya is 255.255.255.255, which is mali kasi ang domain server natin is 20.0.0.100. So, may mali na tayo dito. As you can see in the result, so unrecognized host or address or protocol not running. So, number 6, on switch 1, manually specify R1 as the default router and the DNS1 as the DNS server, then attempt to ping again. So, para sa global configuration mode, then, yung sabi dito, specify natin na dapat si R1 ang default gateway natin. So, we were using the command IP default gateway 192.168.1.1. Then, IP, sabi niya na ang DNS1 natin as our DNS server. So, IP name server 20.0.0.100. Yeah. So, let's try to ping again the server 1 using its IP address. So, as you can see, napiping na natin si server 1. So, using its IP address, now we're going to ping server 1 using its name. So, yun. As you can see, napiping natin siya. Then, ang domain server niya na ngayon ay ano yan? Ito. Ang nag-translate niya na yung SRV1 sa main server natin na 20.0.0.100. Pero yung una, 25. So, yun. We successfully finished this laboratory about the domain name system.